Are you willing to earn $500 every day by simply utilizing Google? Yes, you heard it right. With this brand new method, $500 every day will be deposited into your account. Imagine what you could buy with that amount of money if you followed all of my steps in this video. That is why I strongly advise you to follow this video through to the very end so that you are aware of all of the procedures before exiting the video and attempting to figure things out on your own. I'd want to remind you that I'll go over a lot of key details here, including how to sign up and some extra money-making tips. When you've completed viewing this video, you can put everything I've taught into practice, and you'll be shocked at how much money you can make with this brand new strategy. Now go ahead and perform the first thing you need to do to make $500 per day. I'd like you to go to Google because, as I previously stated, we'll be using Google to make money online. This is a critical stage because the success and profitability of this revolutionary new strategy are entirely dependent on Google. Now, in the search bar, enter in Google News, and then click on this link. After clicking that link, you'll be taken to this page, where Google will display all of the latest news and happenings. You'll see a variety of items from different news sources as you scroll down below, and the articles may vary depending on where you're from. So, as you can see, you have this news piece that was just recently uploaded. Then there's this one, which was just uploaded a few hours ago. If you want to learn more, you can click any of them. On the left side, you'll notice a list of categories for news articles, and if you click on one of those categories, you'll see a list of news stories that are all about that topic. As a result, if you click on international news, you'll see news from all across the world. When you click business, Google will display results that are linked to business. We're going to go with a health category for this video because it's something that's really pertinent in these times. So, right here, click on health, and you'll be sent to a page with health-related news stories. You'll notice a number of news stories as you scroll down, and you may read any of them by just clicking on them. When you click on an article, you'll be prompted to begin copying it. You don't have to copy the entire thing, only the crucial sections need to be copied. This is a critical step since in order to make money, you'll need original articles, which I'll show you how to do later. So, for this stage, carefully select and copy the most significant parts of the article. We'll go on to the next stage after that, and I want you to concentrate on this one since it's critical if you want to earn $500 every day. Now we've arrived at the second website that I'd like to show you, Spinbot.com. This is the website where you may have your copied content from the article paraphrased and reworded in less than 10 seconds, giving you your own original and new article. Awesome, right? All you have to do now is paste your copied content using your mouse or keyboard, and you'll have your own article. You're all set and ready to go, as you already have your own articles that you'll use to earn money on another website. I'll now show you the website where you can utilize Spinbot to get money. Textbroker.com is the name of the website. For a range of jobs, Textbroker website is the go-to content writing service. It is a tried and true platform for swiftly and easily outsourcing article development. When you get to their webpage, click on I write content right here and you'll be taken to this page, where you can see how much Textbroker pays their authors. They pay this amount per word, as you can see above. You can look it over on your own and thoroughly read each of these to have a good estimate of how much they will pay. But don't be concerned, you won't be writing anything. To make money with Textbroker, we'll be using Spinbot. All you have to do now is go back to Google News and find some interesting stories to Spinbot, and you'll have your own unique article. Okay, if you want to know how much money you can make from this website, just scroll down a little bit and you'll see this earnings calculator. Simply move this button, and you'll be able to see how much you may earn. The pay is amazing, so you don't have to worry. You must create an account with Textbroker in order to begin earning money. And don't worry, this service is completely free. All you have to do is click here that says register as an author, and you'll be led to this page, where you'll need to fill out some information and complete the registration process. Click on the green button that says sign up to complete the sign up process. With this, you will have your account made on Textbroker. Now all you need to do is find articles from Google News and rephrase them using Spinbot to have your own article and make tons of cash. So simple and easy, right? With this brand new method you can earn hundreds of dollars and bid farewell to the struggling life. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Till next time.